Brittany, or Bretagne in French, is a region in the northwest of France, known for its rich culinary tradition. There are many delicious vegetarian dishes that are popular in Brittany, including savory crepes, hearty stews, and fresh vegetable dishes. Here's a recipe for a simple and tasty vegetarian dish from Brittany. Vegetarian galette recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup buckwheat flour, half a teaspoon salt, 1½ cups water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 2 cups sliced mushrooms, 1 cup grated Gruyere cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste, butter or olive oil for cooking. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the buckwheat flour and salt. Add the water and stir until smooth. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the mushrooms and cook until tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, mix together the grated cheese and chopped parsley. Heat a small amount of butter or olive oil in a separate skillet over medium heat. Pour in 1/4 cup of the buckwheat batter and swirl to coat the bottom of the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Spoon some of the mushroom mixture onto 1/2 of the galette, then sprinkle with some of the cheese and parsley mixture. Fold the other half of the galette over the filling and cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese is melted. Repeat with the remaining batter and filling. Serve the galette hot, garnished with additional parsley if desired. Enjoy your vegetarian Brittany-style galette.